Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I would like to show you some affordable vintage watches. And this is a special one, especially because 2 crowns, it is an alarm watch, mechanical, and a lovely brand. Marvin has got a Dutch connection because the brand was sold on the KLM flights, the Royal Dutch Airline. It is something different and doesn't have to cost too much money. It is a mechanical alarm watch. So the resonance of the movement, I'll show you in a moment, is done by that pin. So that pin can only have a connection to the movement in one place. Otherwise, if it was a case back you have to screw on, it would scratch the whole movement. So now the rotating bit is just a ring, and that pushes down the actual connection between the movement and the case, because it is resonating an alarm clock. So you need that small pin there for the connection to the case. And I love these simple, okay, affordable, we're not snobs over here. It's just lovely and doesn't have to cost too much. We still have to restore that one because I will show you under the microscope. It isn't really water resistant. It's just about sneeze resistant, but it is fun. A fun little vintage watch. There we go. As you probably know by now, there we go. That is the camera, and you're watching with me through my microscope. And about the water resistance, not really. Really not. It's even better. There we go. But then again, this movement is an out of Schild, an AS movement. So there are so many parts still available and so many parts savable. We still have to do the restoration because, as usual, way too much play. So that is hammer time on the main barrel. You can see 2 barrels, one over there, that's just the normal timepiece, and here this is all for the alarm function, and this is the hammer, and that will resonate against the case. And I will show you if I it already starts. It goes really fast. There we go. I'm just winding the alarm bit, and then you can see the extra hand. And when it's really close to the hour hand, you see this. There. This star wheel, do you see the points? Is going to rotate, and that is very quickly alternating between that bit and that bit, and then the really heavy hammer is make the noise, and it really does work. Otherwise it's just a normal movement, but I love it. Is quality, and again affordable. It is got a shock system, so it's real not only affordable but reliable as well. And here the balance wheel, I think that is late 50s, early 60s. A lot of work to do, and I can see there is probably a screw missing. We have to work out a play. You can see fingerprints from a previous watchmaker. Well, we do a full revision, but just look at the elegance of the design, like that. This is raised, but then that is just a lovely design. Didn't have to be like that. You can really see the attention to detail here. Geneva stripes, Côte de Genève. And the Côte de Genève has got a function. It's not just decoration, because the top of the plates here has got a Geneva stripes. So you can see that one and that one. Two different plates. This is one plate, this is a bridge, and this is a cock. And you can see the lines going through. So you know it's all original. This bridge and that cock always belong together, because the Geneva stripes go all the way through, just like that one and that one. So it's not just decoration, it's got a function as well. Here, beautiful sunburst, same as that one. Ratchet wheel almost always got snailing or sunburst. It's just a lovely little vintage watch without breaking the bank. The Marvin Waikup. Well, I think it's a funky design as well. So plenty of work to do, but the end result will be so nice, and it doesn't have to cost so much. So the small Dutch connection with Marvin, even though it's Swiss made, it was sold on the Royal Dutch Airline, and lovely, vintage, affordable, and with a beautiful complication, a mechanical alarm clock on your wrist. Well, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands. I do hope you enjoy these more simpler, affordable watches. It doesn't have to be Patek or Vacheron all the time. This is lovely, lovely vintage. All of you, thank you so much for your attention, and hope to see you soon. See ya. Bye bye.